Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here Talika. Today I'm here with a special recipe and wonder powder for your beauty and health. Yeah, I named it Wonder Powder because it has plenty of health benefits. It's good for weight loss, lower cholesterol, beneficial for diabetes, metabolic syndrome, may reduce inflammation, good for your digestive system, helps reduce blood pressure, may reduce your risk of heart attack and stroke, boost immune system, good for bones, good for your hair and skin. It's rich in proteins, vitamins, minerals, fibers and antioxidants. The ingredients I'm gonna use in this recipe all are plant-based. So this is completely vegan. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you make this powder at home. So let's start the video. But before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. At first, I'm going to measure all the ingredients. The first ingredient is almond. It's a good source of vitamin E, manganese, magnesium, copper, vitamin B12, phosphorus, and full of antioxidants. I'm gonna take 100 gram of almonds for this recipe. 100 gram of almonds contain 22 gram carbs, 13 gram fiber, 50 gram healthy fat, and 21 gram protein. Next, I'm taking here 100 gram of walnuts. It's a great source of copper, folic acid, phosphorus, vitamin B6, manganese, vitamin E, and high in antioxidants. 100 gram of walnuts contain 14 gram carbs, 7 gram fiber, 65 gram of healthy fat, and 15 gram protein. Next, I'm taking 100 gram of peanuts. It's rich in biotin, copper, niacin, folate, manganese, vitamin E, thiamine, phosphorus, magnesium, and high in antioxidants. 100 gram of peanuts contains 16 gram carbs, 9 gram fiber, 49 gram of healthy fat, and 26 gram protein. Next, 50 gram of pistachios. It's a great source of potassium, phosphorus, vitamin B6, thiamine, copper, manganese, and full of antioxidants. 50 gram of pistachios contain 14 gram carbs, 5 gram fiber, 23 gram of healthy fat, and 10 gram protein. Next, I'm taking here 100 gram of cashew nuts. It's a good source of copper, magnesium, manganese, zinc, phosphorus, iron, selenium, thiamine, vitamin K, and vitamin B6. It's rich in antioxidants. 100 gram of cashew nuts contain 30 gram carbs, 4 gram fiber, 44 gram good fat, and 18 gram protein. Next, I'm taking here 100 gram of oats. It's a good source of manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, iron, zinc, folate, vitamin B1 and B5. Also, it's high in antioxidants. 100 gram oats contain 60 gram carbs, 11 gram fiber, 8 gram healthy fat, and 11 gram protein. Here I'm taking 100 gram of quinoa. It's rich in magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, folate, copper, iron, zinc, potassium, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6 and vitamin E. It's rich in antioxidants as well. 100 gram of quinoa contains 69 gram carbs, 7 gram fiber, 6 gram healthy fat and 14 gram protein. Next, I'm taking 100 gram of chia seeds. It's a good source of manganese, phosphorus, copper, selenium, iron, magnesium, and calcium. Also high in antioxidants. 100 gram of chia seeds contain 42 gram carbs, 34 gram fiber, 31 gram healthy fat, and 17 gram protein. Next, I'm taking here 100 gram of pumpkin seeds. It's rich in vitamin K, phosphorus, manganese, magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper. It's full of antioxidants. 100 gram of pumpkin seeds contain 54 gram carbs, 18 gram fiber, 19 gram good fat, and 19 gram protein. Here I am taking 100 gram of sunflower seeds. It's a good source of vitamin E, niacin, vitamin B6, folate, pantothenic acid, iron, magnesium, zinc, copper, manganese, and selenium. It's also rich in antioxidants. 100 gram of sunflower seeds contain 20 gram carbs, 9 gram fiber, 51 gram good fat, and 21 gram protein. Next, I am taking here 100 gram of flax seeds. It's a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B1, B6, folate, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. Also rich in antioxidants. 100 gram flax seeds contain 29 gram carbs, 27 gram fiber, 42 gram good fat, and 18 gram protein. Here I am taking sesame seeds 100 gram. It's a good source of vitamin B1, B3, B6, vitamin C, D, E, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, iron and zinc. High in antioxidants, 100 gram of sesame seeds contain 23 gram of carbs, 12 gram fiber, 50 gram good fat and 18 gram protein. Next I am taking here roasted black chana 100 gram. It's a good source of vitamin B6, vitamin C, riboflavin, folate, niacin, thiamine, manganese, phosphorus, iron and copper. It's high in antioxidant as well. 100 gram of black chana contains 60 gram carbs, 17 gram fiber, 6 gram good fat and 18 gram protein. And at last, I'm gonna take some cinnamon sticks. It has antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal properties, contains antioxidants with anti-inflammatory effects. So these are all the ingredients we need to make this powder. Now I'm going to dry roast all this, but I'm not going to mix all these ingredients together. I'm going to roast separately. Now you guys are thinking, why so? Because all these ingredients are different in texture. That's why we'll need different times to be roasted. And the main reason is after this roasting part, we have to grind all this. And if you mix all these ingredients together, then grinding part will be messy. And trust me, I tried before and I didn't get the smooth powder. So it's better to keep all these ingredients separated. Now why the roasting part is important? This will make the ingredients crunchy and after that grinding part will be easier. And remember one thing, always roast all this in low heat. The nuts will take 2 to 3 minutes to be roasted and the seeds will take 1 minute to be roasted. Quinoa will take 4 to 5 minutes to be completely roasted. You will notice some popping up in this quinoa after 2 to 3 minutes of roasting and the color will be brown. And for the oats, it will be 1 minute. Do the same for the cinnamon sticks also. Now the roasting part is done. Leave them for 10 to 15 minutes to be cooled down a little bit. Now it's grinding time. I'm gonna grind this all separately as I said before. Put into grinding jar, then grind, then open this and stir it with the help of a spoon and again grind until you reach to your desired texture. Because of roasting, it will take very less time to transform into powder. Repeat the steps again and again for all the ingredients. This is kind of protein, vitamin, fiber and mineral supplements for you. But this is much healthier than the supplements are available in the market. You might feel that these ingredients are a little bit costlier. Then look at the price of your beauty products and medicines. The price is much higher than this. Now you can find this into your budget, right? Each of us obsessed with glossy hair, strong nails, glowing skin, and that's why we buy a lot of beauty products no matter how costly they are. Even we spend lots of money and times in beauty salons. And we always underestimate the importance of good food. This powder is full of proteins, vitamins, minerals, fibers, healthy fats, which will be great for your beauty and health. So my grinding part is done. I have kept this powder into a bowl and a plate because I don't have any bowl big enough to put all this together. You can put all this together into any bowl. And here is the final part, straining. Take a big bowl and place the strainer like this and strain the mixture. There are some lumps into this mixture. We can't get smooth powder from only grinding, so don't skip the straining part. You can see there are some lumps into this mixture. That's why I'm using a spoon to break these lumps. Every time at the end there will be some lumps left. Don't throw them, just keep them aside. Every time add few amount of powder into this strainer and strain. Don't add all the mixture at a time. So here's the total powder I have got from that ingredients, 1250 gram of powder. This is the desired texture. You can store this in a airtight container and keep this in a refrigerator for 1 month. Now how to consume this? There are many ways to consume. Take a glass of hot milk. You can choose any milk of your choice. Add 4 tablespoons of this powder into hot milk. Then mix this properly and drink. This is the simple way. The 4 tablespoons contain 30 grams of this powder. From 30 grams of this powder, you will get 152 calories, 5.4 grams of protein, 4.2 grams of fiber, 10.6 grams of healthy fat, and 10.9 grams of carbs, and lots of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. You can add this powder into your smoothies as well. You can have this at any time in a day, in your breakfast or after workout or evening time, it depends on you. And here are the lumps we have got from that mixture. Add some honey into this, and if you're a vegan, add some maple syrup or any binding agent into this. Mix all this together with the help of your palm or spoon. Make sure that all are well combined. Now take small portion of this, then use your palms to roll the portioned dough into ball. Repeat the steps and make all the balls. This is not only healthy and nutritious, this is super yummy. You can have this protein, vitamin and minerals rich ball as your snacks. I have sweet tooth and this is one of my favorite snacks. Store this into freeze for 1 month and enjoy. So that's it. That was the recipe of my wonder powder. Please give it a try, guys. I'm sure you will notice the result on your beauty and health. I hope you find this video helpful. Then please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And guys, please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel. I will meet you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you, guys.